Good morning. You're not gonna say good morning? Don't be Benji. Outfit of the morning. Ooh. Girl, don't hurt nobody looking like this 6:30 in the morning, girl. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm up, ready to tackle the day. Robe, Target, bedroom shoes, Amazon. My eyes look so red this morning. So y'all, I'm in the mood for, these eye patches are so freaking huge. Yeah, so I'm in the mood for some coffee. So I think I'm going to make myself an iced coffee. So why don't we do that? I think that'll be good. Let's do that. We're gonna drink our water first. So I have this coffee here. I have this. Can one of y'all tell me which coffee I put in here? Because I really don't remember. So if you've been following me for a while and I did this on camera, let me know in the comments what kind of coffee this is. Let me see, let me smell it. Smells like coffee. This is my other one. I really like this one. This is the Starbucks Mocha. So I think I want this one because I'm not too sure which coffee this is. for today. So I just did a spring mix salad. I have some chopped tomatoes and some feta cheese, and then I'll just use my Green Goddess salad dressing. And that's what I'll be having for lunch today. Y'all, so I just did my makeup. I feel cute. I'm looking real good for my man. I might put on a dress and put on them little strappy heels that I had on, girl. No, but I did my hair and I did my makeup. And I think it looks really cute. I don't have anything else to do, so I might as well play in makeup. I did try like a new technique. Because what I would usually do is put my foundation on first and then do my brows and everything else. But this time I did my brows first and then I put my foundation on. So I know I'm looking at myself in my viewfinder, but, and I have my ring light on behind us. So there it is. So it's not so bright, but it look cute. Ooh. My hair is still wet, but I like the way it looks. I just parted it on the side. I put some got to be glue on this side, and I put too much, because it is it's so hard. But I haven't did anything today. Tuesdays are usually like my off days. I try not to do anything. I try to just, you know, get my thoughts together, relax. But sometimes it's hard to do that. So as you guys can see, I'm still picking up the camera. I watched a few makeup tutorials today. I watched some girl. I'm like, oh my God, no. I can't do this, sis. Then I went back to the OGs. I watched some of Beauty by JJ. And if y'all can hear my computer right now, I have Makeup Doll. Those were my boos back in the day. So I was just watching their videos while I was doing my makeup. And I didn't do like looks that they were doing, but I just had them playing while I was doing my makeup. So I think I'm gonna start watching them just because it's a lot of different things that I want to start doing. Like I want to start contouring my face. I did a little bit over here. I wanted to add some blush, but I didn't do it. But I added some contour right here and I added some right here. It's probably not blended, so I ain't gonna even show y'all because I don't. Okay, y'all know. Oh, and I tried to contour my nose a little bit. Just because, hey, I don't have nothing else to do. Might as well learn something new. Outfit of the week. T-shirt, basketball shorts, and bedroom shoes. This will be the swag all week long. And when I do my videos, I'll just change my top. Period. Y'all, he got me doing TikTok dances. He won't teach me the other ones because he says I'm embarrassing him. Y'all, so my husband surprised me with some roses today. It's so pretty.
Capital ones you don't need them.
Okay, y'all, and this is my salad for dinner.